Hi, this is a demonstration of some application virtualization. What I'm running is a Windows Vista, and I have virtualized some Internet Explorer 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, and 8.0, which is not virtualized, it's actually installed. And then I have Microsoft Access 2.0, Microsoft Access 2003, and Microsoft Access 2007. What I want to show here is that all of these applications can run simultaneously on the same desktop. We've used some technology to stream the applications from the back end, and I'm going to demonstrate how efficiently and these applications can be launched. So I'm going to start with Internet Explorer 3.0. We double click on it, and here it is. It's a page created to demonstrate browser functionality. It's a website on the internet. I actually had to create this test page because there are not that many pages or websites that they support this application. If I was going to run on Google or Yahoo or any of those known sites, you would have seen all sorts of error. I'm going to the next one. I'm going to launch Internet Explorer 4.0, and now you see there is a difference. It's actually the browser is capable of demonstrating the colors. It's in again. Here is the Internet Explorer 4.0. Now I'm going to go next one. I'm going to go 5.0. 5.0, if I'm not mistaken, it has some support. So let's just try to go with Google and see what happens. Yay, it works with Google. So okay, so and this is a full-fledged application. Actually, in other words, the window that you see, it's minimized, but I could maximize it and it would be a full desktop. So you could do whatever you do with the virtualized application and run them in any mode, full screen or half, as if it's just running on your desktop. Internet Explorer 6.0. Here we go again. I could go to Bing, and that's a fairly modern Internet Explorer. And then finally the 8.0, which is the latest that Microsoft has, and here it is. So okay, well, any of these applications can go and do anything all at the same time. There's no you could go to videos and on this one, and travel on that one, and all of them can coexist peacefully. So this is an Internet Explorer, just a demonstration that how these applications can run and launch from a desktop. Next one is I'm going to show you Microsoft Access 2.0. There it is. I could go open sample apps, Northwind, and here's our Microsoft Access 2.0 application. And as you see, it's running as if it's running on your desktop. Now I'm going to go and open up the Microsoft Access 2003. Let's see if I could open up this database. Again, I could create a table and do whatever I need to do here. And Microsoft Access 2007. So all three versions of Access are running on the desktop. Obviously, something like this cannot be done if we are going to install all these applications on the same machine. It's just not going to run. And one thing to pay attention, if I go to the registry editor and do a reg edit, we'll see I'm going to go to the HP local machine. I'm going to go to software. I'm going to go to Microsoft, and then under that key I'm going to come to Office, and then if I look at the Office 12, I see there's only one Access install, and that's Access 2007. So there's no sign of Access 2.0 or Access 2.3 or Access 2003. Same goes with the Internet Explorer. If I go look at the Internet Explorer, you will see there is only one version of the Internet Explorer is installed. And here it is, and this is the Internet Explorer 8.0 that is running on this machine. Everything else is being streamed to the desktop. Now the desktop that we're using here is Windows Vista. I could have very well used Windows XP. I guess that's the minimum. But the conclusion of this demo is that we have the capability of running the legacy-based application on a modern operating system, being the Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7, and then have it coexist with the remainder of the application being 32-bit, 64-bit. So there are no issues. So if somebody tells you that their application does not run on their new, modern operating system, there's really no reason for them to hold back, and we definitely can have a solution to bring their old legacy application and make it work on the newer desktops.